topic is division of a whole number by a fraction. In the previous class, we discussed about division of a fraction by a whole number. Here, in this class, division of a whole number by a fraction means here we have to take. I am taking a whole number and it is divided by a whole number by a fraction. I am taking 1 by 3. 2 divided by 1 by 3. This type of problems we have to solve in this class. We have to solve in this class. Okay, children, see here 2 divided by 3. So, going forward to this, I am telling 1 by 3 divided by 2. This type of problems we also discussed. How to solve this problem? Simply 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 means the reciprocal of 2. Here we are taking the reciprocal of the divisor and we have to multiply the divisor with the dividend. Like that. Here also we have to multiply the reciprocal of the divisor with the dividend. Okay, see here 2 into the reciprocal of 1 by 3. Reciprocal means the number is reversed. The number reversed means denominator becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator. So here the denominator is 3, so it becomes numerator, and the numerator is 1, it becomes denominator. 3 by 1 means 3. So it is multiplied with 3. 2 3 is 6. 6 is the answer for 2 divided by 1 by 3. Okay, children, 2 divided by 1 by 3 means is equal to 6. So here we note this point. Division of a whole number by a fraction is same as the multiplication of the reciprocal of the divisor with the divisor. Okay, children, note this point. Here, division of a whole number by a fraction means the same as the multiplication of the reciprocal of the divisor. Multiplication of the reciprocal of the divisor. So we have to multiply this reciprocal of divisor with the dividend. Okay, children, note down this point. Okay, children, see these problems. 5 divided by 1 by 2. So here 5 is divided by 1 by 2. Here the divisor is 1 by 2. So we have to take the reciprocal of the divisor. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. 2 by 1 means 2. 2 by 1 means 2. If any number having denominator as 1, so it is the number. Okay, children. 5 divided by 1 by 2 means we have to take the reciprocal of 1 by 2 and we have to multiply with the reciprocal. So 5 into 2, it becomes 10. See here 3 divided by 1 by 2. So reciprocal of 1 by 5 is 5 by 1, that is equal to 5. So I am multiplying it with 3 5 is 15. If you divide 3 with 1 by 5, so the answer is 15. See this? 7 divided by 3 1 by 4. Here I am taking mixed fraction. So first of all, convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 1, 13. 13 by 4. 7 divided by 13 by 4. Okay, children? So take the reciprocal of 3 by 4. 13 by 4, sorry, is 4 by 13. Here the numerator becomes denominator becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator. So multiply 7 with 4 by 13. So in whole number and a fraction multiplication, we have to multiply the numerators and the denominator is same. So 7 4 is 28 by 30 is the answer. Okay children, I will give some homework problems now. Okay children, do these 3 problems as homework. Thanks children. Bye. See you tomorrow.